How to fix NMI_hardware_failure BSOD on Windows 10/8/7. FYI, you may also have met non-maskable interrupt or BSOD error 0x00000080. Below are some tips that may help fix NMI_hardware_failure BSOD on Windows 10/8/7. 1. Save your work, then remove any hardware or drivers that have been recently installed. 2. Update rollback disable various or any problematic drivers. Install the latest version of official device driver, NVIDIA, AMD, or Intel, as admin. 3. Check out installed RAM. And make sure that all memory modules are of the same type. 4. Updating BIOS version to latest version, http://bit.ly/2ts7ax9.